Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Claude AI, new upgrade, choose style, custom writing styles. And right here, this is going to be the new user interface of Claude AI. You're going to see right there, that is going to be choose styles. Now this is the huge update for this one because basically everything is still the same. Let's talk about this one. So for this, if you click the drop down, you're going to have concise, explanatory, or formal. And right now with this new update, you can also create and edit your styles. Let's try this one out. If I click on create and edit, you're going to have these choices. For example, for concise, you can preset that one. You can change the places. For formal or explanatory, you can also preset the checking. And then a little pro tip, choose from preset styles to create your own custom style to tailor elements of Claude's written responses such as tone, voice, vocabulary, detail level, and more. Now I'm gonna go for preset, or you can create your very own style from scratch. Anyway, I'm still gonna go for presets for this one under concise. Click here, and as you can see, there are now preset templates. Starting from short story, customer email, marketing, blog posts, product review, and educational content. We have shorter messages and more messages for this one. And under the option tab, you can concise, still can be hidden. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to click on customer email. As you can see, there is going to be a preset prompt for this one. So respond via email to a customer who received the wrong item in their order, and I have this. So the subject is order correction, wrong item received. This is going to be the customer email, and sincerely, customer service team. As you can see right here, it's very concise. Now you can change the preview for this one. If you wanted to product review, write a product review for wireless headphones. This is how it should look like. This wireless headphones deliver impressive, etc. up to the audio. Change it up, for example, you want a short story or educational content. Explain why the sky changes color at sunset. This is the content, it's very educational. Now those are all the custom styles you can choose again from explanatory or formal. Anyway, I'm gonna go back here and click on create custom styles because I want to create my very own. So on the left side, this is going to be a shared writing example or describe your style in Claude, and it will make a custom writing style tailor-fitted for you. Again guys, that is a custom writing style. That is really awesome. So for example right here, you can add a writing example. For example, click a drop or paste existing document, post messages, etc. Contents not sorted after matching style. That means if you have a blog post, you have a document that you have wrote, Claude will read it, analyze it, and then create a custom style based on how you type that note. Or you can describe your style instead. There are gonna be two options here. Now for this one, I'm gonna click on add writing example. You can upload from device or paste from content. I'm gonna proceed with text content for now. So I'm gonna paste everything I want to paste here. So where will I get it? So I'm gonna get it on my YouTube channel. Again, this is Tutorialboxx. Thank you again for the 4,000 subscribers. I really love you guys. Now, look at the start. You can do this for any video. So I'm gonna do it on my end. And then click show transcript here. Alright? Once you click show transcript here, you're gonna have this option wherein you can now copy everything. This is the way you talk here. And then just simply paste it on Claude from earlier. Of course, to proceed with this one, we want those timestamps removed. So toggle timestamp there so we can just copy the text here. I think this should be a good amount. And then go back on Claude and then paste it here. Simply click on create style from this one, and I'll get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. This is going to be the choices from earlier. As you can see right there, it auto-generated a title for us. But you can also change that. For example, I'm going to name this Tutorialboxx style. Of course, that's going to be my own style. And from here, I'm going to type in here, let's just go for educational content. That will be explain why the sky changes color at sunset. And we'll wait for it just a little bit, and this is what we have. From here, you can change the option, rename this style, edit style manually, or delete it. If you click edit style manually, it will go to the left side where you can change it manually. If you click on save changes, and then go back on the choices, right there, you're gonna have your very own style. So click create custom style there. Describe style instead for this one. So we have, I think, 5 choices here. Define style objective, tailor to an audience, or use specific voice or tone, which is basically how you do it. You also have describe in general or use custom instruction. This is gonna be in advance. Or there's gonna be also an exception. This is actually funny. There's never mind, I'll add an example, which is going back from the choices from earlier. Now basically for this one, that is gonna be how you create your very own style using describe. Let's try this one out. So I'm gonna choose my very own style here, which is Tutorialboxx, and from here, write a comparison between ChatGPT, of course, which is gonna be this one, and Claude, which is the one we're using right now. And basically for this, you can now simply click on enter. Again guys, this is gonna be a free trial, so we only have haiku. Click enter for that one, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. For this one, as you can see, hey there, tech enthusiasts. Let's dive into comprehensive comparison between two popular AI assistants. This is how I normally talk, and this is what we have here. A side-by-side comparison of ChatGPT and Claude that has been written manually. And then final thoughts for this one, both ChatGPT and Claude are incredible AI tools with unique strengths. And basically for that one, we have a closing remark on how we usually say things. That's pretty awesome actually. Personally, I really love this idea. So anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.